Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome to this Python tutorial. Today we are looking into Python dictionary. Okay, some of you may ask, what is Python dictionary? Okay, Python dictionary is, let me put it in a straight way, it is a key value pair of Python data type. That is Python dictionary. So what I mean by key value pair, for every value you put in a Python dictionary, remember Python dictionary is just like, it's just an array. It's an array like list. Python list is also an array. Python tuple is an array. Python said they are all arrays. Python dictionary as well is an array, but this type of array has a key value pair. What I mean by key value pair, I mean for every value you throw into Python dictionary, you will need to assign a key to that value. Now, when you need to access that value, you will need to access it using the key you assigned to it. You don't just go straight to that value and print it out or access it like that. So that key is the key of access to the value. That's how Python dictionary works for you. So let's give an example here how you create a Python dictionary. To create a Python dictionary, you first put in this. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, this one here is giving us sorry about that. This is autocomplete. I installed in my on my VS Code, but I want us to do this without autocomplete. So when you throw this, type in this, opening curly braces and closing curly braces, inside the opening and closing curly braces. So first of all, before you put in any value, you will put a key to that value. So if I want to put my name, I say name, then I say Chinedu is my name. So I will be deleting these things. Actually, I need this age as well. That is one of the things I will need. Yeah. So here I want to store my name and also my age inside this Python dictionary. So this is it. Remember, I said that the first one here is the key, while after the colon, the second one you pair to it is the value. Now when you put a key, put a colon, put a value, that particular value is being assigned to that key and the key assigned to the value, vice versa. Then for you to put another item inside the Python dictionary, you will need to put a comma. When you put a comma, you either go to the next line or you continue with that same line if you want to continue with that same line. But for me here, I would like to, oh god, this keeps popping up on my screen. I would like to create every new item on a new line. So to access this thing here, if you want to access these values, remember the values are at the right hand side while the keys are at the left hand side. Look at the value here. This is the value Chinedu. This is the value 30. Now this is the key and this is the value to the key. This is another key name and Chinedu is the value to the key name. This is another key age and 30 is the value to the key age. So if we want to print the items in this dictionary, what will we do? Inside the Python print statement, first of all, we need to assign it as a variable so we can access it. We can name it DICT. So when we name it DICT, there's the name I choose to give to my own dictionary. You can give yours any name you choose. So you inside the print statement, you put in DICT. If you run this code, it's gonna print this dictionary, everything inside it. So let's see how it goes. Go here, run the file. Look at it. This is the first key we put, key. This is the first value to it, value. This is the second key we put, name. Look at it here. And look at this name here. Look at it. And this is the value to it, Chinedu. Look at it here. And this one, age, is the last item with the value 30. Look at it here. So what if we just want to access a single item? Just a single value we want to access, like maybe Chinedu only. How do you do it without printing everything? Yeah, like I said, that is where it comes in, using the key. So you will put in the key name inside the squared bracket. Look at this square bracket here. Look at this one here. So you put in the key name inside the square bracket. Make sure that name is enclosed in a quotation. If you created that name under double quotation, enclose it in a double quotation. If you created it under single quotation, enclose it with single quotation to avoid Python conflict. So now let's run this code. I'll say Python. What's the name of our file? New. Say Python new.py. Good. Look at it, Chinedu. So what just happened here is that with this print statement, we told Python, hey Python, go to this dictionary. You will see a key there named name. Now pick out the value from there. And this is what it did. It gave us this because this is the value there. So this is how we pick out values. So I'll leave it to you. Try it your own way. Pick out this value 30 on your own way. Now when you are done with that, let's go over to complex dictionary. So complex dictionary, let me save it as cdict. Complex dictionary is a dictionary with higher dimension. Yeah, what I mean by higher dimension, it can have other arrays inside it. It can have another dictionary inside it. It can have a list inside it. It can have a tuple inside it. But now let me just give an example of another dictionary and a list inside it. So let me say first one, ID will be the first key. Then I want this ID to be a dictionary data type inside this dictionary because it's a complex dictionary. So this is it. We're opening another dictionary type inside it. So for the ID, first name Chinedu, last name, my name is Nolokafo, last name Prosper. So age, I'll still go with that 30. That was auto-generated there. I'm not gonna show my real age. 30. So I put location, Nigeria. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. What again should be in a person's ID? Gender. I put gender. Sorry, this gender, this one should be in so I put gender. My gender is male. I might want to put my contact as well, so let me add email. email C prosper 907 at gmail.com. Okay, these are items that I would like to put here. So to make it more complex, yeah, because we are dealing with a complex dictionary here. So to make it more complex, I would like to add a Python list inside this child dictionary. So let me say hobbies. Hobbies. Good. I don't like reading so much. I rather study with tutorial videos than reading. So I won't put reading. Um, I like sports, martial sports. Yeah, so I put in martial sports. As a matter of fact, I'm a taekwondo athlete. I'm also a judo athlete. So I like sports. I like traveling. Yeah, I would like traveling, but it's not one of my hobbies. I like cooking. Yeah, if there is another career I would choose to be a chef. I also like coding. Yeah. Um, what again? What again will I add to hobbies? Mm, I like playing instruments. So actually, I play recorder, flute. Good. Now, I want to make a challenging one here. So, inside this dictionary, what if we are to print one of these hobbies? Let me say coding. Yeah, to print coding. What will you do? Think of it. Just pause this video, think of it, try it your own way. If you're able to get it, clap for yourself. But if not, don't worry. You are still getting sorry, what am I speaking? Don't worry if you didn't get it. We will still get to know it. Okay. So if I want to print coding, what I will do, okay, first of all, to make it easier for me, Python is giving us this direction, but there is an issue there. No, I won't go with this direction because I need you to understand everything we are doing here. So inside this print statement, I will pass the name of our dictionary. What's the name of our dictionary? CDICT. Copy it. Paste it here. So you're telling Python, hey, look at CDICT. Inside it, go to ID. Go to a key called ID. So this is ID. So inside the key called ID, there is that key called ID has a value called a value of dictionary data type. So inside that dictionary also, that there is another key called hobby. So this is in hobbies, not hobbies, sorry. Hobbies. So we want to print coding is in index 2 with 0, 1, 2. Yeah, coding is in index 2. So we want to print the item in index 2, which is coding. This is it. So when we run this code, it's gonna print coding for us. Let's give it a try. Save it. Remember to save this file, then come over here, down here. Yeah, in the terminal. Type in Python, the name of your file, .py. Press enter. Look at it, coding. Sorry, the first print statement was still running, so we need to comment it out. So you don't get confused. Comment it out, save it, Control S to save. Come back here, run that code again. Good, look at it here, coding. Now, what if we want to print cooking? What will you do? Come to here. Remember, this cooking is in a Python list. So for you to access data in a Python list, if you watch my tutorial on Python list, you know that you use the index number. This is index 0, index 1, index 2, and the last index is index 4. Sorry, index 3, because this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the index of cooking is 1 here. So you put in 1. It's gonna throw cooking to you. Let's run it and see. Good, look at it. Now, what if we wanna print both cooking and coding? You put a comma here, then still the same way we did the first one, put in hobbies, then this will be index 2. Save, come over here, run this. Look at it, cooking, coding. Okay guys, goodbye. Like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Comment on the section if you want to do more or learn more of Python dictionary, because there is more where this tutorial is coming from. I mean, there is a lot more about Python dictionary. So just comment, then I might throw another random tutorial on Python dictionary or a more advanced one on Python dictionary. But for now, goodbye.